I don't currently have a good way to store my jewelry. I have it in this thing, but I can't really see it. It's all over the place. So I'm really looking for a better way to store my jewelry. I was sent something for review, so excited to take a look at it. This is a jewelry box, and right off the bat, I love how it's packaged. I always like when things have the styrofoam in there just to make sure that it's not going to get broken or cracked during transit. Here it is out of the package, and it is beautiful. I love this brown leather detail. I think it just looks so nice. And then I love that it spins, so you can spin it around. It does have a mobile base here, so you can spin it around as needed. It has areas in here that are little drawers, so you can put earrings, you can put rings in there. Anything you need to will fit nicely. Lots of options here for drawers. And then at the very top, I love this little spot right here. You have areas that you can put your rings, more jewelry. You have earring slots here, and then this opens up so that you have some additional room on the bottom of this. Then you also have a spot over here for your necklaces, which I really love. It has a little door, so you can open it up and just hang your necklaces there. And then on this side, I like that it comes with push pins. So say that you want to just pop some pins in here and hang some additional jewelry. You do have the option for that. They do include the push pins as well, but just a really beautiful jewelry box and a great place to display all your jewelry. I went ahead and added a few of my, just my jewelry items in here, as you can see. So I did add some of necklaces and bracelets in here. You can see that they really hang nicely. I love that you can see everything. I think that's such a positive in that you have clear windows into most of these areas, so you can see exactly what you have added. So here's a great spot to display, you know, your earrings. You have rings here. If you have bulkier jewelry, you can add it there on the side. You have a lot of drawers right here. So I just put things in here. For example, I have belly rings, so I have those in here, just depending on what you have. I mean, you can really throw anything in here, but you have a lot of room. And then over here on the side, again, a good area to hang your necklaces and bracelets. I love this little area in the back. It's so large, and it does come with these little push pins, so you can put bracelets on here or anything you want to display. You have another area for necklaces here. But yeah, overall, I really like this. I think it's beautifully done. The quality is very good on this. It looks very luxurious, and even has a good smell to it. You have a good smell of that leather, but it's just stunning. It's really beautiful. I love the accent details here with the gold. Everything was really thought out very well, and this would look beautifully displayed in your home or in your bedroom, in your closet, and would make an excellent gift as well.